this lovely auriculas and flowering in a little terracotta pot. But the job I've got to do today is to sow some herbaceous perennial seeds that will come up next spring, and it shows great value for money. So I've got a pot, some peat-free multi-purpose compost. I've just gently tamped it down so it's nice and firm, even surface to sow the seed. I've got the seed which I've collected from in the garden, and I'm just going to gently sprinkle that on the top. And then what we're going to do is to fill some multi-purpose compost on the top and just gently allow it to, go on the top of the seed. And then lastly, all you need to do is get some alpine grit and sprinkle that on the top. And then the best place to put this is in a cold frame or outside over winter, and watch in the spring for the little seedlings starting to come up, which you'll need to prick out. It shows great value for money. It's a herbaceous perennial. The bees love Echinacea purpurea. So put a name on it, put the tag in, and then place that somewhere in your garden, and then wait till spring to see it coming up. Now, if you've enjoyed this garden content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more hints and tips, and thank you for watching.